The Clarity XLC 3.4 Plus hearing loss cordless phone with XLC7HS expandable handset is an exceptional choice for those who need amplified communication. Engineered with DCT 6.0 technology, this phone operates on a 1.9 GHz frequency, ensuring an interference-free experience with a broad range. The standout feature of this model is its DCP digital amplification, which offers up to 50 decibels of sound boost. This enhancement, coupled with 4-tone settings, provides crystal-clear conversations for users with hearing loss. Clarity, a pioneer in amplified telephones, has designed this phone to cater specifically to seniors, supporting them in maintaining connected and engaged lives. The XLC 3.4 Plus includes a high-contrast caller ID screen that's easy to read, and a loud, flashing ringer with adjustable tones ensures you won't miss important calls. Additionally, the phone features a loud speakerphone for hands-free conversations, and its hearing aid-compatible point. One of the key advantages is the dual power battery backup. This feature ensures that even during a power outage, you can still make calls, providing peace of mind and reliability. The phone's concave earpiece creates an acoustic chamber, further enhancing sound clarity. The XLC 3.4 Plus is a practical solution for those who need extra support in their communication devices, combining advanced amplification with user-friendly features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.